Hello guys, so today we'll learn the power of tag. It's one of our USP where we can, a doctor can priorly know for what reason this patient has come, okay? Or a staff can also tag this patient for what reason the patient has come as well, okay? So the tag options, you can see it on the current screen. So here is a tag. So suppose for an example, Viswajit's patient, he is coming for the second time. So if the staff wants to tag him as a follow-up, they can just click on add a tag. And here guys, by default, it will be some 6 or 7 tags would be available onto your screen. So if you want to add something more, you can just click on this plus button, give a name of the tag and choose the color and click on done. So it will be added into that list. Okay. So you can see guys, I have in my list, I have created some tags. So here, if I want to select Vishwajit for follow-up, I can select follow-up, and for what reason, another reason he has come. So I can also select that to show report as well. Okay. Yeah. For Siddharth, he is a new patient. Okay. So if I want to tag this patient for like urgent basis or something, I can just select that as well. Okay. And it has been referred by, like suppose doctor has referred, so I can also select that. Okay, for Ishwar, he is the very first time he's coming up. So it's a first consultation. I can go and I can select a new consultation. Okay, and yeah. So guys, so here this is the power of tagging. So now once the doctor opens up his phone or a laptop, he will be able to find for what reason this patient has come. Okay, and now they can just uh, prioritize if he wants to prioritize Siddharth to come first because it's been referred by doctor and it's on an urgent basis, he can uh, uh, rearrange the queue as well. Okay, yeah. So now if a doctor wants to filter out based upon tag, so I can just go in the completed section. Okay, and here we have an option called as filter guys. Okay, so now I can click over here, and if doctor wants to filter like how many patients have been referred in this month, okay, or till date, so they can just click on that. So it will give a list of all the patients who's been tagged for. Yeah, so today one patient, so last week, yeah, so you can see guys, yeah, so total 6 patients. Okay, parallelly, if your doctor wants to a staff can also mark the patient for due also in case. Okay, so if the patient is on due, so we can tag due. Okay, so Vijay patient hasn't paid the money. Okay, so he's been tagged as a due. Yeah, or any medical certificate, how many patients have come for medical certificate, we can also filter out that. Okay, yeah. So if they are marked under tag, so we can filter it out guys. Okay, yeah. So that's the power of tagging guys. Do explain to all the staff, and let the doctor also use the power of tag, where they can definitely be helpful, and doctor can also prioritize or manage their work completely. Okay, yeah.